Alright, dudes. Here's one of my personal favorites. Muscle Cars Coloring Book for Dudes. Now, I made this because a lot of guys were looking for something a little less girly. The market's definitely centered around women. And this gives guys something different to color. If you're not in the mood to color flowers or unicorns, you can color cars. Now, obviously, it's not just for guys. A lot of girls can appreciate a good muscle car, such as myself, but this one's definitely geared towards guys or girls. If you're looking for something to give your husbands or partners something to color, if you want to color with them, this is a great option. And this one was illustrated by Jeremiah Dube. He's a great artist. Page quality is great. You don't have to worry about bleeding. If you're using thicker markers, then you might want to use an extra piece of paper just in case, but for the most part, you'll be safe. And all the pages are single-sided, so that helps too. Here's a list of tips for you if you need a little help or a little guidance. Those are good tips to follow. And a color test page just comes in handy if you're trying to test out different markers or tools that you might be using, or if you want to test out shading, different color combinations, you can play on this page. Here we go. Pages are landscape, so it's great for left-handed or right-handed colorers. I love the backgrounds on these pages too. They make it fun. And they're simple, so you can do with them what you want, but fun to have little backgrounds that go with the cars. It's one of my favorite cars. And there you have it. Thank you page in the back. If you want to check out more Zen Master coloring books, you can follow this link or like us on Facebook and get free coloring pages, and you'll be updated when new books come out. We're planning on working currently on a race car book, so that's another car book geared towards guys. There you have it, guys.